Good morning, student. Now, today is a new chapter, vector algebra. And first thing, what are the difference between vector and scalar? There are two quantities. One is the vector and one is the scalar. Scalar is only than physical quantity, to show only magnitude. But magnitude के साथ में अगर direction भी show होती है, that is vector, right? So now, first thing, vector is denoted by this is scalar, but then this is arrow, that's vector. So now look here, vector and scalar. That is the first thing. Vector is denoted by any arrow, and now vector. My first thing, this is exercise 10.1, and exercise 10.1, then vector is this is chapter 10, and chapter 10 vector is first thing. This is very very important. That is the sum of two vector, difference of two vector, product of two vector. But now exercise 10.1 is the only basic which quantity is vector, which is scalar. So now look here, then 10 kg. अब then 10 kg there is only magnitude show कर रहा है. So this is scalar, right? But now then 2 meter northwest, that direction is given, right? Magnitude is given, so this is vector. 40 degree is only show magnitude, this is scalar. 40 watt, that is scalar. 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, this is the unit of charge, that is scalar. But 20 meter per second square, this is vector. Velocity, acceleration, right, force are called vector. Time period, this is time period, then scalar. Distance is scalar, but displacement is vector. Force is a vector, velocity is vector. Work done, what is the work done? W equals to F dot D, force into displacement, right? So dot product, that is scalar. Scalar, that means dot product. Now look here, then exercise 10.2. First thing, now look here, then given any 2 points, A, coordinate of A point 1, 2, 3, and coordinate of B point is minus 2, minus 3 and 4. Right? This is Cartesian form, but now write is vector form. So now position vector of point A. Student, position vector, that means this is A point, this is B point, joining this is two line, this is line, one line is AB. Then direction A to B, then joining position vector is O, origin 0, 0, 0. Then now joining O to A, O to B. And now apply in triangle law, right? So what is the triangle law? That is the sum of two sides is equals to third side, या then same direction में अगर तीनों एक ही direction में है तो इन तीनों side का sum vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OA plus vector AB and vector BO. This is all same direction, that is equals to 0, that is equilibrium. So now what is vector AB? Then this two term transfer, so minus OA minus PO. Then what is the vector AB? Then minus OA as it is, but now BO, B to O को अगर मैं that is OB लिखता हूँ, so now this is direction change, that is negative sign is positive. So what are the vector AB? This is the new formula. Vector AB is OB vector OB minus vector OA. So this is triangle law, right? And this is the formula. What are the vector AB? Vector AB, this is A is the initial point, B is the terminal point. So what is vector AB? That is vector OB minus vector OA. Now look here, student, this is very simple. This is the first formula of what is vector AB, OB minus OA. But same is what is the vector BA, यानी B to A डायरेक्शन है, तो what is vector BA? That is OA minus OB, यानी कि टर्मिनल पॉइंट माइनस इनिस हो. सेम आपने देखा होगा कि मैंने मैट्रिक्स पढ़ाया था, मैट्रिक्स में what is AB inverse, that is the B inverse into A inverse. AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse, same vector procedure. Now look here, vector में this is a scalar, A is a scalar, but इसके ऊपर अगर आप arrow लगाते हो, commerce student, that is vector A. But अगर आपके पास में वेक्टर ए पर दैट इज अ होल टू पैरेलल लाइन, दिस इज मैग्नीट्यूड, मैग्नीट्यूड, राइट। सेम अगर ए लेटर पर अगर आप एक कैप लगाते हो, दिस इज नोटेशन ऑफ यूनिट फैक्टर। एंड यू नो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द यूनिट फैक्टर? देन मैग्नीट्यूड इज 1। मैं आपको क्लियर करूंगा कि व्हाट आर द मैग्नीट्यूड, व्हाट आर द यूनिट फैक्टर। बट फर्स्ट थिंग कि अगर कोई भी दो पॉइंट्स नाउ जॉइनिंग टू पॉइंट दैट इज मेक अ लाइन, राइट, और कोई कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में दे रखे हैं तो उसको वेक्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखा जाता है? नाउ इज अ पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ पॉइंट ए, नाउ राइट इज अ वेक्टर ओ ए and these are x, y, z coordinate, right? एक वेक्टर के अंदर this is there are three coordinate x, y, z. This is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Then I cap, this is I cap is a unit factor along x axis, and j cap is a unit factor along y axis, and k cap is a unit factor along z axis. So now what are the I cap? What are the j cap? What are the k cap? Now look here student, these are unit vector along axis. So now first thing is the position vector of point A. Now write vector OA, that is now write 1 I cap plus 2 j cap and minus plus 3 k cap. This is vector form, this is Cartesian form. Same is the position vector of point B. Now write is a vector OB, then minus 2 I cap x coordinate. You know I cap is a unit vector along x axis, j cap is a unit vector along y axis, and k cap is a unit vector along z axis. So minus 2 I cap minus 3 j cap and plus 4 k cap. So this is vector OB. But now find vector AB, that is OB minus OA. You know vector OB, minus 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap minus vector OA I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. अब स्टूडेंट इस क्वेश्चन में कि जब भी कोई दो वेक्टर का डिफरेंस या सम फाइंड करना हो तो आई कैप से आई कैप सब्ट्रैक्ट होता है, जे कैप टू जे कैप एंड के कैप टू के कैप. सो माइनस टू आई कैप एंड माइनस आई कैप, दैट इज माइनस थ्री आई कैप. minus 3 j cap and minus plus 2 j cap, that is minus j cap, and plus 4 k cap minus 3 k cap, that is a plus k cap. So this is vector AB. फर्स्ट थिंग मैंने आपको क्लियर किया कि सम ऑफ टू वेक्टर एंड डिफरेंस ऑफ टू वेक्टर, दो चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट है. सम ऑफ टू वेक्टर एंड डिफरेंस ऑफ टू वेक्टर, राइट. कोई भी दो वेक्टर का सम करना है. फॉर इज अनदर एग्जांपल, वेक्टर ए कैप इज अ a1 i कैप प्लस a2 j कैप plus a3 k cap. This is vector A. And now the vector B is a b1 I cap, b2 j cap and b3 k cap. Now the sum of these two vector and difference of two vector. Now find the value of vector A plus vector B. Then दो vector को add करना तो I cap से I cap add होगा. That means A1 plus B1 is I cap, right? A2 plus B2 j cap and A3 plus B3 K cap. Same is the difference find करना है. That is vector AB minus vector A minus vector AB. So that is the subtract is same. Difference is same. A1 minus B1. This is I cap. A2 minus B2. This is J cap. And A3 minus B3. This is K cap. स्टूडेंट एक बात ध्यान रखना कि दिस इज A1 B1 इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ I कैप J कैप आर स्केलर. जब भी विदाउट एरो है दैट इज अ स्केलर और विथ एरो दैट इज वेक्टर. सो नाउ दिस इज सम ऑफ टू वेक्टर, दिस इज सम ऑफ डिफरेंस ऑफ टू वेक्टर. तो सबसे पहले नाउ राइट इन वेक्टर फॉर्म, दैट इज वेक्टर OE एंड वेक्टर OB. सेकेंड थिंग, नाउ फाइंड वेक्टर AB, दैट इज OB माइनस OE, राइट. सो दिस इज वेक्टर AB. नाउ द थर्ड थिंग कि नाउ फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड. यू नो स्टूडेंट, मैग्नीट्यूड अभी हमने जस्ट कहा था कि व्हाट आर द स्केलर. स्केलर फिजिकल क्वांटिटी नॉट ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड शो करे, दैट इज स्केलर. और मैग्नीट्यूड के साथ में अगर डायरेक्शन शो करती है, सो दिस इज वेक्टर. नाउ दिस इज वेक्टर AB. नाउ मैग्नीट्यूड, यू नो स्टूडेंट, magnitude, what are the magnitude denoted by two parallel lines. So what are the magnitude of vector AB? That is under root. square of the coefficient of I cap, square of the coefficient of j cap, square of the coefficient of k cap. That means what are the value of magnitude AB? Then 9 plus 1 plus 1. That is the root 11. This is magnitude. So first thing, what are the magnitude? What are the vector? Right? Now look here, is a type of vector, some type of vector. First thing is a zero vector. What are the zero vector? Right? Just zero vector हम इसको जैसे वेक्टर ए पॉइंट है तो वेक्टर ए मतलब उसका इनिशियल पॉइंट भी ए एंड टर्मिनल पॉइंट भी ए बी vector AB लिखा है, that is the initial point, B is the terminal point, A is the starting point, B is the ending point, that is vector AB. But what are the vector AB? That is OB minus OE. But what are the A, B, B? That is our zero vector. Zero vector, what are the zero vector? Then initial and terminal point are coincide. Right? Coincide, that is zero vector. यानी कि starting point and terminal point are same. So zero vector is the other name is the null vector. Now second thing, unit vector. What are the different definition of unit vector? Unit vector are denoted by cap. This is vector AB, but AB के ऊपर अगर आप cap लगाए तो this is vector A, इसके ऊपर cap लगाते हो, cap that means unit vector. And what are the definition of unit vector? Then magnitude is 1. So it is clear, a vector whose magnitude is unity, that means 1, is called unit vector. Unit vector is denoted by a cap. What is the co-initial vector? You know, student, co-initial vector having the same initial point are co-initial. Co-initial, that means two and more two vector having same initial point and starting point are same. This is co-initial vector. For example, this is O. This is O points now. This is OA. This is OB. Then there are co-initial vector. Starting initial point are same. Same thing, collinear vector. What is the collinear vector? Then two and more vector are collinear if they are parallel to same line, irrespective of their magnitude and direction. What is the definition of collinear and what is the condition of parallel? Two vector are parallel. This is the condition A equals to lambda B. With example, मैं आपको next video में इसको clear करूँगा. This is the condition of collinear vector A equals to lambda B. That means is the ratio of vector A and vector B, right, is constant, is a scalar. That is collinear vector. What is the equal vector? Two vector A and B are equal, having the same magnitude and direction regardless of position of their initial point. Vector A and vector B are equal. What is the negative vector? Negative vector now write is the vector AB. But now write vector AB को अगर मैं vector BA लिखता हूँ, this is vector BA, that is now sign change minus and direction change, that means sign change. So this is negative vector. So now look here student, vector में today is only discuss what are the vector, what are the scalar, what are the magnitude, what are the unit vector, right? It is very clear, vector is denoted by arrow. Magnitude is denoted by only two parallel line. So only magnitude. But what are the unit vector? Unit vector, for example, now vector A is given 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Vector A is given 1 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. Now find the magnitude of this vector. That means what is the magnitude? Then under root square of the coefficient of I cap plus square of the coefficient of j cap plus square of the coefficient of k cap. So what are the value of magnitude? 1, 4 plus 9. Then root 14. This is the magnitude. But what are the unit vector? Unit vector is denoted by cap. And what are the formula of unit vector? Unit vector अगर आपको find करना है तो then formula is a cap equals to vector A upon magnitude of A. जब find करना हो तो this is formula of unit vector. यानी vector A is given 1 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. But magnitude is root 40. So this is the unit vector. लेकिन अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि ए वेक्टर ए इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर, तो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वेक्टर ए इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर? दैट मीन्स कि उसका मैग्नीट्यूड 1 है. डेफिनेशन ऑफ यूनिट वेक्टर कि व्हाट इज अ यूनिट वेक्टर? देन मैग्नीट्यूड इज 1. मैग्नीट्यूड इज गिवन इज 1. सो दिस इज यूनिट वेक्टर. बट यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करना है, दैट मीन्स वेक्टर ए अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए. सो स्टूडेंट, इज ओनली बेसिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ वेक्टर, राइट? थैंक यू.